Carbohydrates. A quick introduction.
Carbohydrates, often called carbs, are one of the body's main sources of energy. Found in foods like bread, grains, fruits, and vegetables, carbs play a crucial role in fueling both your brain and muscles. But in recent years, carbs have faced a bad reputation, often blamed for weight gain and health problems. Is this reputation truly deserved?
Inside low-carb diets.
Low-carb diets, such as keto and Atkins, focus on reducing daily intake of carbohydrates. Many people try these diets to lose weight or manage blood sugar. While cutting carbs can lead to rapid weight loss in the short term, much of this is water weight. But are these diets the secret to long-term health? Let's explore the science.
The benefits and drawbacks.
Some research shows that low-carb diets can help with short-term weight loss, especially for those with certain health conditions like type 2 diabetes. However, cutting out too many carbs can also mean missing important nutrients found in whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. Restrictive diets aren't always sustainable and may affect energy, digestion, and mood.
The role of good carbs.
Not all carbs are created equal. Whole, unprocessed carbs from foods like brown rice, oats, beans, and berries provide fiber, vitamins, and minerals. These good carbs help support digestive health, keep you feeling full, and fuel your daily activities. Highly processed carbs like white bread and sugary snacks are less beneficial for overall health.
What's the verdict?
Carbs themselves are not the enemy. The key is choosing quality, nutrient-rich carbs and paying attention to portion sizes. A balanced diet that includes healthy carbs, lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of vegetables supports long-term health. Instead of fearing carbs, focus on whole foods and mindful eating for lasting wellness.